Hi Bill. This Irish woman's nearly lost for words. What can I say? You put down your scalpel on International Cochlear Implant Day 2022. I didn't even know. And I've had the honour of working alongside you for this past 12 years at the Pindrop Foundation, and to see the amazing work that you've done through cochlear implantation surgery and given the gift of hearing back to so many adults throughout New Zealand that I am very honoured and privileged now to call friends, and to see the transformation in their lives because of being able to get their hearing back through cochlear implants. It's been an amazing experience. It's been an honour, and I only hope now I get to see the other side of you that I haven't experienced as yet, and that's as a pipe major, playing the bagpipes, which I absolutely adore and love. I don't know that some of your clients who've had a CI would love it, but this Celt here adores it, so I'm looking forward to seeing you in your full regalia playing bagpipes now that you've got some more time in your hands. Ciao for now, Bill. Thank you so much for everything. Bye-bye.
Hi Bill, our careers have run in parallel for 50 years or so. I'll never forget the support and colleagueship I received from you and your Green Lane Hospital ENT colleagues when I was starting out. It's always a pleasure to work with you, more recently in governance of cochlear implant services, where your enthusiasm is contagious and your experience and wise counsel are invaluable. Thanks Bill for your huge contributions to hearing services.
Good morning Bill. It's been an absolute pleasure working alongside you in both the Northern Cochlear Implant Trust as well as the Pindrop Foundation. I have to say, chap, that your contribution to both trusts has been truly outstanding. Outstanding not only as your contribution as a CI surgeon, but also outside with the medical professional groups, CI support groups, and your patients, as well as the general public communication, which you're a past master of. You're almost as good as your bagpipe playing. So all the best, Bill.
Hello Bill, I just want to say happy retirement. Thank you for what you did for me. 2 years, one, and then 8 years later another. You are a very kind and warm and compassionate person who really showed genuine care, and I really appreciate having you as my surgeon, and I just want to wish you a happy retirement. You deserve it. You are an incredible, clever human being, and thank you. And I felt very lucky because I got to stand next to you while being involved in your lecture talks, and that made me feel quite proud. So thank you for letting me be part of that with you. Yes, so time to hang up your scrubs, not your mask, but your scrubs, and I wish you a very happy and relaxing and fun retirement. You really deserve it. Thank you so much.